Hello again, we're back in the shack. We've moved a little bit today. I'm doing a bit more work from indoors. It's getting a bit too cold in the shack outside, so I've managed to relocate some of the equipment. I've got my desk up here. I've still got my original shack in there, shack and the desk. Because one of the reasons is I'm doing a bit of work with this Retevis. It's the Ra89. I've not used it very much. In fact, I've still got the... No, I haven't on this one, have I? Yes, I have. I've still got the sticker on this one, the little protective screen on. Doesn't get used very much. It's programmed up. It's a UHF, VHF, and it's DMR. I like using it because I've used it quite a bit on set frequencies, but it's not really used very much for amateur radio. And I want to change it. I want to start using it a bit more if I can. But I've noticed I'm having problems accessing the radio. So it should be nice and simple. All my other radios seem to work fine. I've just been playing with these RT29s. These are lovely. These work really well. Programmed dead simply. Just plug in the cable, plug into your computer, and you're up and away. But for some reason, I'm not getting the same joy with this one. So what I wanted to do is just to plug everything in and I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to use Retevis's software. We could use Chirp, I suppose. I do use Chirp occasionally, but where possible I always try to use Retevis's own software. And normally it works absolutely fine, no issues. But on this occasion, for some reason, I'm struggling a bit. So we're plugged in, Kenwood style plug, using Retevis's own USB. Turn it on, and you can hear the USB kind of being read as it attaches itself to the computer. So you'd think it's all in order. Now what we do then, we go onto radio. We want to read the radio first of all. You press the read button, saying read data from radio. We click OK, and I get that. It's not finding it. So I've tried other leads as well, and I'm having exactly the same. But I don't think it's a lead problem because it's acknowledging the fact that it's plugged in. Now with the other software, you go to settings, and underneath the Chinese English selections, you can normally have an option to change your COM port. But with this one, you can't. I've searched everywhere on here for COM port to see, where I can change the COM port settings, and you can't anywhere, which is strange. But I'm thinking, well, maybe it just automatically finds it. So I'll do it a few times. I'll put it onto full volume because sometimes radios need to be on full volume. We go back, try and read, click OK. Not doing it. Please check whether the USB is occupied or not connected. Well, it's not occupied, and it certainly is connected. There's no other lights on here. That's just strange. What's happening then? There's no light. It's not transmitting. It's not doing anything daft. It's doing everything that it should be doing. It just won't read, and obviously with that, it won't write as well. So I don't know whether anyone else has had that issue. I did wonder whether there might be a little tag down below here somewhere that you could click and try, but there's nothing. Get rid of that menu, clear that. I'm not hiding anything here. English, view, tree bar, there we go. Nothing at all, so I don't know. So I would be grateful if there's anyone out there who knows, let me know. It's bugging me now. It's getting to the point where it's bugging me and bothering me, and I'm really struggling to move past this because I should be able to do this quite easily. I suppose I could try Chirp, but I really want to use this software. So anyone else out there using the Retevis software, the Ra89, let me know. I'll be very grateful. Apart from that, not much happening in the shack. It's just been busy. I've not had a chance to do videos like I'd hoped. I've not done half as much that I wanted to do. It doesn't help the fact I've lost the attachment from a tripod either. So I have to hold the camera in my hand whilst filming, which is a shame. Motorola Wave. Been playing with this little baby. It's the Wave PTX. It's a nice radio for Motorola. It's POC. Been playing with that. That's a nice bit of kit to use. Just dependent on telephone coverage, really. But there you go. Right, I'm going to get have a play, finish my cup of tea, get a few things done. Thanks for watching. If you can help out in any way, let me know, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.